How to use AI to make money creating content. Everything you need to know. Nowadays, content creation has become a very big and important part of marketing and branding strategies for businesses and individuals alike. However, it takes a lot of time to create high-quality and informative content. This is where AI comes in, to help you boost your content creation and innovative ideas more efficiently and effectively. Here are some tips on how to use AI to make money creating content. Use AI-powered writing tools. The best reason to use AI is to create content super fast and with all the necessary information. Tools like GPT-3 and Copy.ai can help you create high-quality content by providing you with writing suggestions and even writing full sentences or paragraphs for you. These AI tools provide features that can actually give you new ideas and formats to create your content. Leverage AI for content curation. Another way to use AI for content creation is by using it for content curation. These AI tools can analyze the market, trends, topics, and festivals related to your audience. By using such AI tools, you can create more interactive content and curated content. This can help you increase engagement and build a loyal following, which can translate into revenue opportunities. Use AI for content optimization. AI-powered content optimization tools can increase the chances of your content increasing its views by analyzing the market and the audience, and will also tell you the time in which you will have more audience than usual. These tools can provide you with the best and related keywords to use, which will automatically boost your content on the platform. What type of content performs best, and how to optimize your content for maximum interaction. By using these insights, you can improve your content's reach and visibility, which can lead to more revenue opportunities. Create AI-generated content. Now, you can generate more informative and fast content, which will increase not just your survival chances in the market, but will also increase the chances of your content becoming more and more successful. For example, AI-generated videos, images, and even music can help you create unique and completely different and unique content that is difficult to replicate. By creating such new and unique content formats, you can differentiate yourself from the competition and build a strong, successful brand that can easily interact with your large audience. In conclusion, AI is generating more content than a normal human can, and not just normal content, but content which is informative, creative, and high quality, and that can easily interact with their audience. By leveraging AI-powered tools and techniques, you can create high-quality content that interacts with your audience and drives revenue to new opportunities. So why not start exploring the possibilities of AI for content creation today? Thank you so much for watching till the end. Like and subscribe.